The First Alert SC7010BV hardwired talking smoke and CO alarm delivers the most intuitive and technologically superior equipment on the market. This model utilizes a photoelectric smoke sensing chamber that actively seeks out slow smoldering fires while simultaneously searching for traces of CO within the surrounding area. It also comes with a single button test silence option, and voice alarm capabilities add incredible depth to an already flexible alarm. Featuring a swift and near effortless installation process, this alarm comes equipped with Optipath 360 technology that provides 360 degrees of direct access to the smoke sensor. With a 2 AA battery backup, an end-of-life signal alerts you when the alarm's battery is low. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.firstalertstore.com.